Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a very nice 1966 Corvette Stingray Convertible to show you. Very nice car, very nice driving car. It's not a numbers matching engine, but it is the 327 350 horse, which it originally came with. I'll show you that here in a few minutes, but let me take you around and show you this car. This is an original it's called Trophy Blue car, and this is the same original color, however repainted. Probably a good 10 years, but the paint is beautiful on it. Got a very slight metallic in it. Yeah, base clear, very clean, very nice paint. Panel alignment's nice. Wheels and tires, these are original 15-inch steel wheels, and these would be the 15-inch full wheel cover with the knockoff, which is correct for 66, and white wall. These are radial, so it drives very nicely. 327 350 horse, 4-speed. The transmission is the original to the car. It has been rebuilt, new clutch, the whole nine. Differential code is an AO, and that comes up as a 370 to 1. I've driven the car, it drives nice, and 370, it looks about right on the tachometer and whatnot. Notice the panel fitment is nice. Now the top is a white convertible top. I can show you that here in a second. I also have the original hardtop, which is painted the same as the car. Beautiful, nice hard top. I wanted to utilize that as well. I usually, if I have a convertible, I'll do a video with the top down so that you can, see the car a little easier to get in the interior. Open the door here and get a little closer here. So now this one, originally equipped with the dark blue interior, and it still has the dark blue interior, but it may look black on the camera because it's, when I say dark blue, that's what I mean. It's very dark. But door panels are nice. The whiskers here, nice. I suspect they were replaced when the car was painted. All your weather stripping is nice and pliable here. Seats have been reupholstered. They're too nice to be original. Let me just, since I told you, I'd show you the up under here is nice. Convertible top. I'll show you that real quick. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the website here in a moment. Top is virtually new. This shuts nice. Shut line's good here. All the glass is nice. Windows roll up and down easily. Doors close nice, and especially for a convertible and a Corvette, close nice. Gaps are nice. This is a very nice car. You could take this to a car show, a cruise in. You could drive it anywhere. Very nice, very reliable. Close this again. Back here, your emblems and everything look nice. Bumper chrome is nice. Tail light housings, reverse light housings. Reverse lights do work. The original style dual exhaust, which exit out the rear valance with the slash cut tips. I'll take a moment here to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the car, of course, but also pictures of the undercarriage. If you're interested in the car, you'll want to take a look at that. Very clean, very dry, original, nice. Not detailed, not painted up under there, just original. Frame is nice, rockers are nice, floor pans clean. Fiberglass, that's how they were, but it all looks nice. There's no rot there, there's no rust anywhere. It's just a this is a nice little car. Yeah, you'd enjoy it, and you'll love the way it drives. It drives excellent. Also, I should tell you, the website, I've got pictures of the hardtop as well. usually down here all by myself, so I didn't want to attempt to put that hard top on. So I've got it in a rack. In the rack, it's one of those racks that you can roll the thing around to, you know, put it in the corner of your shop or garage or whatever. But you'll see it if you look at the pictures. Yeah, it's nice. Power antenna. Now this is not the factory steering wheel. I do have the factory steering wheel coming, so I am going to switch this out to the factory wheel. Give it a little contrast there. Take a look at the tachometer here. You see where it redlines there at 6,000 RPMs? If it was a 300 horse car, it would redline up here in the 52 area, but as you can see, the red line is at 6 grand, the higher horsepower car. The clock is inoperable. But you know, you can sometimes seeing how you can make it tick and work a little bit. So if a person wanted to make the clock work, although it wouldn't keep good time, you could pull it out of there, oil it, and you know, put some power to it, and it'll just go all the time. That's what I like to do with my cars. Or you could just have it done, you know, have the quartz movement put in it if you like. I'm finding no body cracks, you know. In fact, up under the fender wells and stuff, no signs of repair either on all four. It's a very nice car. Very well taken care of. Let me release the hood while I'm here. Yeah, you can see all your weather stripping and so forth in here. Nice. Door handles are nice. Easy to close the doors. Emphasis on nice driving car. It really is. I don't have any NCRS on it or any of that kind of thing, history and that type of stuff. But if you just want a nice car to cruise around in, take somewhere, go on a road rally with your friends, car show, cruise in, that kind of thing, this is perfect. It's an excellent car. Oh, let me show you up front here as well. Bumpers are nice. Front suspension has been rebuilt. That's probably why it drives so nice, that front suspension rebuilt. These headlight buckets here, nice fitment, and they do come up and go down. They work. All the lights work. Show you under the hood here. Whatever gets through showing you the front end. 327, 350 horse. Four-wheel disc brakes on Corvettes. That came out in 1965. So this being a 66, it does have the four-wheel disc brakes. Got a little Holley 4-barrel under there, aluminum manifold, of course. Get your ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Just a very nice little car. Expansion tank over there. Very clean, very dry. Yeah. Hood closes nice. Just close it down. Get your hood closed. So what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the car, start it. You'll hear it run. Runs great, starts easy. I'll just drive it around the parking lot here a little bit so you kind of get a sense of what it looks like moving under its own power. Very easy to drive. You know, these Corvettes are fun to drive. You sit in them just right. All the controls and whatnot are right at your fingertips. They're very cool, as you probably already know, but I'll tell you that anyway. But at any rate, let's do that. We'll come back and talk a minute more. Yeah, very nice running car, very nice driving car. Keep in mind, you know, it's stone cold out here. It just fires right up. It will fast idle when you first set the choke and whatnot. Horn works. Again, you know, windows roll up and down easily. Chrome pieces in here, and your dash is excellent. Corvettes have nice dash outlay, easy to read. Console looks good. It's a great car. I can't say enough about it. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1966 Corvette Stingray Convertible, don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.